What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a part 3. So we did all the hits, and of hits we have $20.
Yeah, write
worth.
that down.
What?
Write that down.
Okay, $20 worth of baseball cards in our hits from the pack we opened. So now we're gonna do non-hits. We just have this right here. We're not gonna. That is a hockey pack. A very good hockey pack. Okay. There are so many non-hits. Here's what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna just random pick. I don't think we're gonna do all of these. There's a lot of them.
Okay, I'm gonna go mine Hearthstone for a little while, Andrew. If I should get to it. Okay, just write that down.
Are we gonna do all of this? All of the cards?
We could do multiple more videos.
No, please. Wait, I didn't download part 2. It's okay. We have $20 worth of cards. I'm so sorry, guys. I just realized we can't upload it.
Why shouldn't I?
Dang.
Because
we also do make this part. It's okay. We have $20 worth of cards. We're not joking.
let's make another part.
We have 3 cased. We have stars of the MLB, and then we have this Kenta Maeda was. Why is there a Javi Baez? Wait, Javi Baez? You put case and you cased Javi Baez?
Well, what happened?
You cased Javi Baez. Whatever.
Whatever. $4 one.
Wow. Yeah, and Javi Baez apparently.
How much is Javi Baez?
I don't know. I can't remember.
I think it was
Sorry. Yeah. Probably like $1.99 or something.
Yeah. It's cool. So we're
gonna just randomize these.
Well,
crap!
So we might do. So we're only going to do a little bit of them. We might make another part. Okay.
Wait.
How much money would you say I would make?
All right, guys.
We might make another part. Okay. We're just going to do some of these. We might make another part. Okay.
Whoa. That's only $1.
Well, we're not buying it.
Wait,
it ended.
It's a bid.
It's ended.
The bid ended. Dang it.
Oh my god.
Okay, so first card is gonna be the O'Neal Cruz of the Pirates.
Yeah, we didn't know that was. I think that may have been a hit.
Maybe it was.
Yeah, we weren't sure about it, so we didn't want to do that. Okay, I'm watching.
5.
So
okay, so this case. We need a case, bro. $5 to start off.
No, so I'm gonna
wow,
everything over here. The cases over here.
All the cases.
Yeah, a lot of these are case cards in here.
Do you have any cases in there?
Yes. Oh, I have too many cards. These are a ton of case cards.
Well, guys, while he's digging through there, we'll randomize the next card.
So,
all right, next card we're gonna do. All right, the Yusei Kikuchi.
Do I have any more cases? I don't know if I have any more cases.
That's okay. No, Kikuchi.
How about this? How should I make money then?
Alright. This is it, but with the rainbow. Nope. Yes, 76 cents.
How long? What was that? 76 cents.
We are gonna be giving this card away.
No, I don't want to do all that for. What? I don't want to do all that. I don't want to do sit. So add that to So do 18 plus 5 plus 76. Okay.
No, we just add them up after. Wait, it was 18.3.
we had 18.3. 18.3. So that's $19 plus 5. Just 19 plus 5.
Alright.
Okay. Okay, I guess
Aiden.
that was a grinding.
I don't know. I mean,
For
I
that.
guess I don't know if I have one.
Okay.
Okay, so next card will be up. Wait, you psych catch you psychic.
Holy crap! This is dying.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whole Goldschmidt.
Yeah. Commissions, isn't it? Commissions you do. Should I start doing commissions right now? How many would you say? I'll put the encased cards, my encased cards, inside that case. I put my encased cards. I guess I'm gonna. I put some encased hockey cards on the display because, like, I'm a really big hockey player. So. No, why am I? This one card. No, for my hockey collection.
Wait,
so Kaprizov is
did I
carrying
spell
my-
it right?
I'm gonna start grinding. Where's the card that you're doing?
I accidentally put Heritage on.
A pretty boring grind. The most.
There is the stars of the MLB.
Hey, look what I got. Hey, look what I got.
Found
for
it.
trade-in.
175.
Hey, look what I got for trade-in. Oh, I know that. It's not a top. So. Here's my baseball card that I've pulled.
Alright, let's do next card.
That's just sad.
Wait, no, that's Paul Goldschmidt.
Okay.
Jonathan Daza.
Commissions, I guess. Alright, so let's see. Slave 50. Ice Walkers. Done. Commission 2. So what cards are, so put the,
125.
wait, yeah. So are these cards done?
Yes. And now this one.
But all the cards are done on this pile. Okay. Of all my top cards. Time for that aren't big hits. Time for to get 20 raffle tickets. Oh yeah, I have one card that's not top. I already have I got 16.
Alright. Next card. Wait. That's hockey card. That's hockey card.
Okay.
Wait.
But just small tiny question I have for you.
Dominic Smith?
How do you deposit raffle tickets? Like the raffle box you do it?
You're yelling, Austin.
Yeah, I just did it. There we go. I completed the thing. Very loud the raffle thing is. You're being very loud. Mission 2. Star Sentry Punchers. Damage 10. Damage 10.
198. What did it say? 2?
Okay, first one. Very easy.
Okay, next card. Will be Luis Severino.
Yankees.
Three.
Okay.
Wait.
Here we go. How much is it? Here.
Wait.
$3. Here we go.
Yeah.
Back to Mithril mining for super long. Great.
I think we should do one more card and then be done.
We
I mean,
could
it
do a part
depends
two.
how long. Yeah, one more card.
Then we could do maybe a part
You know,
Three.
part.
3.
This would technically be part 2. So yeah, part 3. Okay,
We forgot that one, part 2.
sorry guys.
We just had $18 in that.
18. We just rounded up to 20. 18 for 3. That's 20. We
And we have like.
Oh yeah, we gotta randomize. Jason Castro.
The rest will be on part 2. Okay?
Alright. I mean part 3.
Part 3. How much?
Wait. Where's the card?
Put it up here. You can start putting cards up there.
Oh wait. No.
Okay,
Okay, see this.
Well, it's the same
That's
card.
not tops though.
Oh.
If it was though.
That's different, bro.
$198.
Let's try that to 2.
Bro, imagine this was the card though.
Oh.
Like 746.
Okay, so this will be for part 2.
We'll show the
Yeah,
rest
we'll
in part 2. See
No,
ya.
part 3.
Part 3. Sorry, yeah. See ya.